Window air conditioners are not typically installed in commercial buildings. They are not designed for commercial use for several reasons. Firstly, many building codes prohibit the use of window air conditioners in commercial buildings for safety reasons. They are not designed to meet the same fire safety standards as central air conditioning systems. Secondly, window air conditioners are generally less energy efficient than central air conditioning systems. Commercial buildings require high cooling capacities, and window air conditioners would consume more energy to achieve the same cooling effect. Thirdly, window air conditioners can detract from the professional appearance of a commercial building. Fourthly, commercial buildings often have complex exterior walls and window systems that make it difficult or impossible to install window air conditioners. Fifthly, window air conditioners require regular maintenance, which can be inconvenient and time-consuming in a commercial setting. Instead, commercial buildings typically use more robust and efficient central air conditioning systems, such as central air conditioning systems. These are ducted systems that distribute conditioned air through a network of ducts and vents throughout the building. Other systems used are variable refrigerant flow systems. These are multi-zone systems that allow for individual temperature control in different zones of the building. Geothermal heat pumps are also employed. These systems use the Earth's natural warmth or coolers to heat or cool a building. Therefore, it is rare to see window air conditioners installed in commercial buildings in most parts of the country.